Hello guys, welcome to my channel Swati Pharmagnan, sharing knowledge. Today's topic is anti-arrhythmic drugs, classification and the structures of individual drugs. We'll see the classification of anti-arrhythmic drugs. How we can define anti-arrhythmic drugs is the drugs which are used in the treatment of arrhythmias or the drugs which are used to manage the rhythm of heartbeat are called anti-arrhythmic drugs. First class drugs are membrane depressant drugs. Second class drugs are beta adrenergic blockers. Third class drugs are repolarization prolongators. Fourth class drugs are calcium channel blockers. We'll see the structures one by one. The first structure is quinidine sulfate. Here the clue for you is quin indicates quinoline group is present. To this quinoline there is a side chain and here methoxy group is present and here quin nucleodine structure is present. To this quin nucleodine there is a allyl group which is attached. Uses are to treat supraventricular and ventricular arrhythmias. We can also use it to treat atrial and ventricular tachycardia, to treat atrial flutter and atrial fibrillation. Next structure is procainamide. Procainamide contains phenyl ring. To this phenyl ring amino group is present. At para position there is a amide group and to this amide group there is a ethyl chain. To that ethyl chain one nitrogen is present. To this nitrogen one more ethyl group is attached here and one more ethyl group. So totally 3 ethyl groups are attached to the central nitrogen. That is structure of procainamide. It is used to treat ventricular tachycardia and atrial arrhythmias. Next structure is phenytoin sodium. Phenytoin sodium contains the basic nucleus, that is imidazole. 5-membered ring containing 2 nitrogens at first and third position is called imidazole. To this imidazole 2 ketone groups or 2 carbonyl groups are present at second position. At second position and fourth position is called imidazolidine 2,4 dione, or we can also call it as hydantoins. At fifth position 2 phenyl rings are present, that is phenytoin structure. Here sodium is attached with the oxygen linkage, that is structure of phenytoin sodium. Uses are it is a anticonvulsant drug and also used to treat arrhythmias. Next structure is diisopyramid phosphate. Diisopyramid phosphate contains one phenyl ring and one pyridine ring. Phenyl ring and pyridine ring both are attached to the carbon. To this carbon amide group is present and here ethyl side chain is attached to this ethyl side chain. Nitrogen is present. To that nitrogen 2 isopropyl groups are present. 2 isopropyl groups are present, that is structure of diisopyramid, and it is attached with phosphate. H3PO4 phosphate group is attached. It is used to treat arrhythmias. Next structure is tocainide hydrochloride. Tocainide hydrochloride contains phenyl ring with 2 methyl groups which are present at second and sixth position, and at first position there is a amide group. To this amide group ethyl amino side chain is present. It is used to prevent or to treat ventricular ectopy and tachycardia. Next structure is lidocaine hydrochloride. Lidocaine hydrochloride also contains similar like tocainide phenyl ring with 2 methyl groups at second and sixth position, and here this structure phenyl ring containing 2 methyl groups at second and sixth position is called as xylene. To this xylene amide group is present. To that amide group there is a methyl bridge which is attached to the nitrogen and this nitrogen is linked with 2 ethyl groups. It is a local anesthetic and also used to treat arrhythmias. Beta adrenergic blockers is the next class of drugs. Example is sotalol. Sotalol contains phenyl ring with NHSO2CH3 at para position, and at this position there is a CHOH group. Here ethyl side chain is present. This ethyl side chain is attached to the amino group and amino group is attached to isopropyl group, which is used as a beta blocker and it is also used to treat cardiac arrhythmias. Amiodarone is the third class of drug which is used in the treatment of arrhythmias. The basic nucleus present in amiodarone is benzofuran. Benzene ring fused with furan is called benzofuran Benzofuran is attached to the phenyl ring. In between benzofuran and phenyl ring there is a carbonyl group. Here butyl linkage is present at third position. To this phenyl ring, two iodo groups are present at second and sixth position. Oxygen linkage is attached. To that oxygen linkage ethyl group is attached, and then ethyl group is attached to nitrogen. To that ethyl group, two ethyl groups are attached to the nitrogen. Uses are, it is used to treat tachycardia, to treat ventricular and supraventricular arrhythmias. Next structure is mexilitine hydrochloride. Mexilitine hydrochloride contains phenyl ring with two methyl groups, which is xylene, and at first position there is OCH2 group, means methoxy group is present, or we can also call it as propoxy is attached to the amino group. That is structure of mexilitine hydrochloride, which is an antiarrhythmic agent. Lorcainide is another structure. It contains piperidine as the basic nucleus. Piperidine contains isopropyl group at first position. What is piperidine? Saturated pyridine is called piperidine. What is pyridine? Six-membered ring containing one nitrogen with double bonds is called pyridine. If it is saturated, piperidine. This piperidine is attached at fourth position with one nitrogen, and here there is CH2CO group is present, and here N nitrogen is directly attached to para-chlorophenyl group. Here one phenyl ring is attached in the lorcainide hydrochloride structure, which is an antiarrhythmic drug. Mechanism of action of individual class of the drugs we'll see in the next video. Thank you all.